Virginia is for grubbers. We are back again with another Old Fashioned Friday, and this week / this month, we're actually going to be participating in a dry January. I know, womp womp. Starting to grow in popularity, we're going to feature 4 separate mocktails each week throughout the month of January, every single Friday. Today we are at none other than Captain Gregory's, and I'm here with my man Brandon. He is the beverage manager of not only Captain Gregory's, but also Railbird Kitchen. Fun fact, Captain Gregory's in 2022 made the top 5 list for Old Fashioned Fridays, coming in at number 4, and right beside it is Railbird Kitchen, came in at number 3 of the best Old Fashions for 2023. Brandon, being the beverage director here, obviously knows what he's doing, so you're in for a treat. All of the mocktails that we make today, you're going to be able to make at home. Any ingredients that we incorporate in these mocktails, we will leave how to make them in the description below, along with some brief detail of how to make them in the video today. I'm gonna turn this over to Brandon, and he's gonna jump into the first episode for dry January of Old Fashioned Friday.
All right, guys, first recipe we're gonna make is our Lemongrass Sour. We're gonna be using seedlip as our non-alcoholic gin. We got a little lemongrass syrup, which we'll leave the recipe below, and some lemon juice. If I had to compare to a classic cocktail that you've heard of, I'm gonna go with a floral spin on a little bit of a gimlet. We're gonna go ahead and take 2 ounces of our seedlip, which is our non-alcoholic gin, 3/4 of an ounce of our lemongrass syrup. We're also going to throw some pink peppercorns in there to give it a little more floral nature. Then we're going to add in 3/4 of our citrus, which in this case will be some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now we're going to shake. There you have it, guys. First mocktail of 2024, the Lemongrass Sour.